Want your ads to do more than just get clicks? In this video, I'm sharing 5 steps to write ad copy that qualifies shoppers, builds trust, and drives sales. Let's go. If you want to attract the right shoppers, your ads need to do 3 things. Be specific, set the tone, and stand out. So first, be clear about what you're selling. If it's a handmade Moroccan wool rug, say that. Don't just say area rugs. The more specific you are, the more qualified your clicks are going to be, and the less budget you're going to waste. Next, think about how your words shape expectations. For example, affordable organic supplements will attract price-conscious shoppers. Meanwhile, clinically tested premium formulas seeks to a more quality-driven audience. Your message should match the customer that you want. And finally, make sure that you stand out. What's your edge? Fast shipping? Locally made? Featured in Vogue? Highlight it. Give your shoppers a reason to choose you over everybody else. Okay, now let's talk about how to get better results with Google search ads. It starts by giving Google what it needs to perform. When you're creating responsive search ads, fill out everything. All 15 headlines, all 4 descriptions. Google uses these to test different combinations. The more options it has, the better your chances of reaching the right customers with the right message. But don't just fill them in randomly, aim for that excellent strength. Use your main keywords in the headlines and mix up the format. Make sure that your descriptions clearly show the value of your product. Also, try not to pin too many things. Pinning one call to action for your brand is fine, but if you lock everything in place, Google can't optimize. Stronger ads mean better performance, more clicks from the right shoppers, and ultimately, more sales for your store. Okay guys, let's now talk about headlines. The type of headline that you use can make a huge difference to how your ads perform. And to really hit that excellent ad strength, you don't want 15 versions of the same thing. You want variety, and here's what that looks like. Start with a descriptive headline, something clear that tells shoppers what you're selling, like Apple Watch 9 leather band. No confusion, just clear and simple. Then add trust-building headlines like 100% satisfaction guarantee, or 4.9 stars from 5,000 plus shoppers. These help buyers feel confident before they even click. Next, use urgency or price to create momentum, like limited stock or free shipping over $99. Give them a reason to act now. Also, include features or location-based lines. Say something like same-day shipping, organic ingredients, or locally sourced. That makes your offer more relevant. And finally, don't forget a clear call to action. Something like shop now or explore the new arrivals today. Mixing these up isn't just for ad strength. It gives Google room to test what actually works. It also gives a better shot at showing up with a message that actually works. Remember, variety isn't just a checkbox. It's how you meet more of the right people and turn those clicks into sales. Now here's something that really moves the needle when you're writing the ad copy for your ads. A good sales hook. It's not just what you sell, but it's why people want it. What's the real value for your customer? Does it save them time, help them save money, remove stress, make them feel a little bit more confident? That's the emotional hook, and it's what turns a scroll into a click. For example, save $50 on your first order, or stop wasting time with slow shipping. These aren't just catchy, they speak to a real problem that the customer wants to solve. So ask yourself, what pain are you solving? Start there and let that lead your message. Now, if you want to give your ads an extra edge, especially in a competitive space, ad customizers can help. They're not required, but when every click counts, they make your ads stand out. Take keyword insertion, for example. It's a simple Google Ads feature that automatically updates parts of your ad based on the keyword that someone searches. So if someone types in leather dog collar, Google sees that you have that keyword in your ad group, and then your ad can automatically say, shop leather dog collars. That's much more specific than just saying shop dog accessories. You can also use a countdown timer, like sale ends in 2 days, to create real urgency and drive action. Or location insertion to personalize the ad. Something like free shipping to Seattle feels a lot more tailored. These tweaks may seem small, but they can seriously boost click-through rates and get you way more high-intent shoppers to your store. By the way, if you want more help putting it all together, we've created a complete ad copy guide to walk you through the process. You can apply any of these strategies to a Google Ads campaign that needs strong ad copy. It's completely free. I'll just leave a link down below. Go and check it out. Okay, here's a few quick wins to level up your ads. First, make sure that your landing page matches your ad. If you promise free shipping on your ads, make sure you display that on your landing page. That consistency builds trust. Next, use clean characters like bullet points or ellipses to break up text and grab attention. Just skip the gimmicky stuff. And finally, proof everything. Spelling, grammar, trademarks like Acme registered. The little details show you're legit and help convert clicks into customers. So if you follow these 5 steps, you'll be well on your way to converting those searches into clicks, into customers. And if you want even more support, check out the KeyCommerce Academy. We've built this community with you guys in mind. We give you the training, the coaching, and the connections that you need to succeed with your e-commerce store. I'll drop a link down below. Love to see you there. Oh guys, and this video is actually part of our Google search series. It walks you through everything you need to set up and launch successful Google search campaigns for your e-commerce store. I'll drop a link down below to the full series, so go and check that out. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.